Hi everybody. I know I did a really quick video the other day. I was just going to give you an update of what I've been up to. Today I have been with my best friend, who I have known for many, many years, and we love to bake together and drink tea and have a good natter. So I just thought I'll share with you what we have come up with. But first off, I'll start off with my savoury option. I have some homemade soup in here, some vegetable soup. And then just to make it a little bit on the festive side, I have cut my toast into stars and then melted cheese on top. I thought that's a little festive treat you can do, and the kids will absolutely love it. So cheesy bread in a star. What else could you ask for? So good. So then, skip past all the savoury stuff, and we get to the good bit. Today, we have made candy canes, peppermint candy canes, which are sugar cookies, and I'll try and find the recipe I used, which I found online, for a vanilla sugar cookie. And instead of using vanilla, I used a naughty peppermint twist vodka. You can actually make your own peppermint vodka, which is putting vodka and peppermint sugar canes into some vodka and keeping it there, and it will gradually build up the flavour. I cheated and had some from last year, and it actually lasted for me. So I've just used that for the added flavour. Then just bake those. It's only like 10 minutes in the oven. Super quick recipe, amazing. And then I found some icing pens, and I found some glittery ones for this festive season. So of course I decorated with those. And because I've got the mentality of I don't want to waste anything, like the vintage motto, use what you got and things like that, because you don't want any waste. So I had some dough left from the candy canes, so I made some cookie tarts, cookie jam tarts in fact. So it's a peppermint dough with some blackcurrant jam in the middle, and I just put embellished with a candy cane on top, egg washed with some American peppermint essence, and I brushed it all on top. The smell in this kitchen today has been phenomenal. So good. It's just been so worth it for a good natter, have a laugh with your friends, and I felt like a vintage housewife. Yeah, I know it's a little bit early, but I thought I'd jump on the bandwagon with the whole festivities and give you some ideas of what you can do. And all of this was quite cheap, to be honest. So give it a go and enjoy the wintry festivities. I thought I'd like to add in as well. This is another look. So I'm wearing my Freddy's jeans and a vintage sweatshirt. I love Paris. It's one of my favourite cities. So I thought I'll keep my theme alive. And these Freddie's jeans are the comfiest I own. It's still casual and work a day, but still having that vintage vibe. And I know you probably can't see that well, but and because they're so tailored to you, tailored and waisted, makes you feel like your waist is so tiny. Just feels amazing. Today, obviously, my hair's kind of deflated a little bit because I've worked a bit today, but I did have a little bit of a 60s vibe today with my beehive and in a bun, winged eyeliner and red lipstick. That's how I've rolled today, and I hope you enjoy. Love to hear from you. Like and subscribe, and I love to hear from you. Thank you. Bye bye.